breathing, a delicate symphony, and I am the maestro, perfection.
Oh, wonderful! A carbonated asteroid from the stomach pit. How rude! And tempo spasm! Vocal cords slam shut. Marvelous sound, that hic. Really professional. Ah, silence restored. I am a genius. Oh, for heaven's sake. Hic! Ah. The brain insists we hold our breath. Fine, I'll just turn blue and wait for death. Tick-tock. Right, I give up. This is the new rhythm now. Interpretive dance breathing. Enjoy! Ugh, I'm so tired of these hiccups interrupting my conducting. Go on then. Drink water upside down. Scare me. See if I care. Hey, kid!